Right now, as you're watching this video, your kidneys are performing an extraordinary feat. These two fist-sized organs are filtering about 50 gallons of blood every single day, removing toxins, balancing fluids, and keeping you alive. But here's what most people don't realize. Our modern world bombards these vital organs with an overwhelming amount of stress. Processed foods loaded with sodium, environmental pollutants in the air we breathe, medications that strain kidney function, added sugars that create inflammation. Your kidneys are working harder than ever before, and they're crying out for help. Enter turmeric, the ancient golden spice that's about to become your kidney's best friend. This isn't some trendy superfood that'll disappear next year. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for over 4,000 years, and there's a reason it stood the test of time. The secret lies in a powerful compound called curcumin, and what it does for your kidneys is nothing short of remarkable. Think of your kidneys as filters in a water purification system. Over time, these filters get clogged with debris, toxins, and inflammatory compounds. Curcumin acts like a specialized cleaning agent, swooping in to protect kidney cells from damage while helping to flush out accumulated waste. It's a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse that targets the root cause of kidney stress, not just the symptoms. Here's where it gets really interesting. Inflammation is one of the biggest threats to kidney health. When your kidneys become inflamed, they can't filter blood properly. Proteins start leaking through. Waste products build up in your bloodstream. This creates a vicious cycle of damage that can lead to serious problems down the road. Curcumin breaks this cycle by calming inflammation at the cellular level, giving your kidneys the breathing room they need to heal and regenerate. But the benefits go even deeper. Your kidneys face constant assault from free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging. Think of free radicals like tiny vandals spray painting graffiti all over your kidney cells. Curcumin acts as the cleanup crew, neutralizing these harmful molecules before they can cause lasting damage. This antioxidant power helps protect the delicate filtering structures inside your kidneys, keeping them functioning optimally for years to come. Now, I know what you're thinking. If turmeric is so amazing, why isn't everyone taking it? Here's the truth. While turmeric is incredibly beneficial, there's a right way and a wrong way to use it. Taking massive doses without understanding how it works can actually backfire. High amounts can increase oxalate levels in your urine, which might contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. This doesn't mean turmeric is dangerous. It just means you need to be smart about how you use it. The key is incorporating turmeric into your daily routine in moderate, consistent amounts. Start your morning with a golden milk latte. Simply heat up your favorite milk, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a dash of cinnamon, and a touch of honey. Why black pepper? Because it contains a compound that increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Without it, most of the curcumin passes right through your system without being absorbed. Black pepper is the key that unlocks turmeric's full potential. You can also add turmeric to scrambled eggs, sprinkle it over roasted vegetables, stir it into soups and stews, or blend it into smoothies. The earthy, slightly peppery flavor pairs beautifully with both savory and sweet dishes. Aim for about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder per day, always combined with black pepper for maximum absorption. But let's be clear about something important. Turmeric is not a magic cure-all, and it works best as part of a comprehensive kidney health strategy. Your kidneys need proper hydration to function. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to help flush toxins naturally. Focus on eating whole foods, plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, especially berries, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. These foods provide essential nutrients that support kidney function. Reduce your sodium intake by cutting back on processed foods. Excess salt forces your kidneys to work overtime. Limit sugar and refined carbohydrates, which create inflammation throughout your body. Get regular exercise to improve circulation and help your kidneys filter blood more efficiently. Manage stress through meditation, deep breathing, or activities you enjoy. Chronic stress releases hormones that can damage kidney tissue over time. If you're currently taking medications or have existing kidney issues, talk to your healthcare provider before adding turmeric supplements to your routine. Culinary amounts in food are generally safe for most people, but concentrated supplements require professional guidance, especially if you have a history of kidney stones. Your kidneys are silent heroes, working around the clock to keep you healthy and alive. They deserve your attention and care. By adding turmeric mindfully to your diet, staying properly hydrated, eating nutrient-dense whole foods, and maintaining healthy lifestyle habits, you're giving these remarkable organs exactly what they need to thrive. That simple golden spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet might be the natural solution your kidneys have been waiting for. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to BioWell Hub for more evidence-based health tips that empower you to take control of your wellness naturally. Here's to your kidney health and your vibrant future.